shoot them off right by that like steel little round thing down there. Yeah.
Hello, we are here at our backyard. We're watching the fireworks for like their pre-celebration of the 4th of July. Look at that. Oh, our neighbor is also there.
You want me to take a photo of them? Hold on.
Wow.
He was going for my beer. I was gonna be like, you teaching them good young.
People are just seeing a can.
There she is. She didn't
Oh, why you came out late?
Oh, I was cooking, so
Oh,
I need to finish it before I can go out.
Big picnic tomorrow?
no, my father-in-law is leaving, so he's taking something.
Wow. Wow, fireworks. Wow. Wow.
Fireworks.
You came out here first before here,
Yeah,
right? Oh.
they were here.
You were here.
Yeah, we couldn't see them.
And then we were walking here. I was like, oh, we can see it from here.
Where did the fireworks come from?
Someone cut that
It's in the
tree
park.
over there for that fireworks.
Is that what happened?
There you go.
They're putting them off in the park.
This is like a perfect view right there.
Yeah, right there in the
trees.
middle of that one.
Pretty.
Gonna carve it.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Look at that.